We had a really big trial, and it was my first one in probably 2.5 to 3 years, because we went through this COVID phase where us civil guys are redheaded stepchildren of the court system, right? Because no one's going to jail, lose their freedoms and that sort of thing. So we had to take a step back, and all of our cases were put on hold so they could get through the COVID mess and all of that. So everything was super delayed. And so we had this really big trial in March last year, and it was a difficult one. And we came out and had a tremendous week. We had a great jury. Everything went in our favor. All the motions went in our favor. Everything just went so well. And it had been a while for me, so 2.5 years not trying it. And that kind of, it's been 2 decades I've been doing this, but it was almost like I was a young lawyer again, and kind of reaffirming, one, that you get it and they can see through the smoke and me trial strategy and that sort of thing and come up with a just verdict. But then obviously on our side, that it just reaffirmed that everything that we're doing is here to help people. And this guy was probably one of the most deserving clients that I've ever had. And for him to struggle through what the insurance company offered them 2 days before trial, literally their offer, it was, Ted, this is it. You're never going to see another offer. This is all he's going to get. And my client had absolutely no choice. And I always hate that for clients. It wasn't one of those where he was being greedy, risk taker, should have taken that number, but went and took a risk. He really had no choice but to try the case, and then to come through and be victorious for him and get what he needed for he and his family moving forward. It definitely gave me that juice again.